In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Preloader in Elementor. A preloader is the small animation or icon you see while a page is getting ready. It adds a polished feel and reassures visitors that content is on the way. We'll set it up right inside Elementor's site settings, so it applies consistently across your site. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over Elementor and choose the editor. You'll land on the Elementor dashboard within WordPress. In the top right, click Edit Site to open the editor interface where global styling and behavior live. Inside the editor, look to the top left for the hamburger menu and click it. From the drop-down, select Site Settings. In the left panel, open Page Transitions. This is where you'll control both the transition that appears between pages and the preloader itself. Begin with the page transition. Choose either a classic background or a gradient, then set the appropriate color options to match your brand. You can also pick an entrance animation if you want that extra motion as pages appear, or leave it set to none for a cleaner, faster feel. Keep in mind that subtle transitions usually look more professional and won't distract from your content. Next, expand the preloader section. You'll see a preloader type option with choices like none, animation, icon, or image. For this walkthrough, select animation. Each type has slightly different controls, but they all aim to show something while the page loads. Choose your animation from the drop-down on the right. As soon as you pick one, the preview updates so you can see how it looks. You can fine-tune the experience with animation duration and preloader delay. Duration controls how long the animation cycle runs, while delay determines how long the preloader stays visible before revealing the page. Shorter delays typically feel snappier. Longer delays can be useful if your pages are heavier or you want a more cinematic introduction. Finally, customize the animation's color and size so it fits your design system and remains legible on different backgrounds. When you're happy with the setup, click Save Changes at the bottom of the left panel. If you want to preview the behavior before finalizing, click the eye icon in the top right. Wait for the preview site to load, then navigate to a different page. As the new page opens, you'll see your preloader in action, followed by any page transition you selected. If it feels too long or too busy, head back to the same settings. Make quick tweaks to the duration, delay, or colors, and save again. That's it. Your Elementor site now has a polished preloader.